Going to solve third question, children. Show how root 5 can be represented on the number line. How we are going to represent root 5 on the number line. Okay, children. You see, if anybody asks you to represent 2 on the number line, what you will do? You will mark it here, isn't it? So that is easy. But now they are asking in the question to represent root 5 on the number line. Here we are going to use Pythagoras theorem, children. This Pythagoras theorem we can use for the right angle triangle. Okay, right triangle. For the right triangle only we can use Pythagoras theorem. This Pythagoras theorem some people may pronounce as Pythagoras theorem. What it says, the Pythagoras theorem, children? In a right angle triangle, this is what? Hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is base, this is height. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem says that in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of base and height. What it says? In a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of base square and height square. Okay, children. Now we can see hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Okay. Now I am going to draw the number line 0, 1, 2. Here minus 1. Okay. Understand, children? First I am going to take this one as O, origin O. Next I am going to draw 1 unit from here. 1 unit, 1 centimeter I am taking. Okay, you take scale and mark it 1. So this is 1. Here I am going to draw one line 1 centimeter. For 1 centimeter you use scale, children, then only it will be neat. Okay, here I am taking 1 centimeter, then here also I am taking 1 centimeter. Now I am going to join this. Understand, children? Now I am giving the name to this point A. For this one I am giving B. Now I formed the right angle triangle. So what is the value of this OB? We know this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. But we don't know the value of OB. How can we find this OB? Yes, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. What it says? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. So what is base here? OA, and height is AB. Hypotenuse is OB. So OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square, children. OA value we know 1. AB value we know 1. So 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square. 1 square plus 1 square. So 1 square plus 1 square is what? 1 square is 1 only. Again 1 square is 1 only. 1 plus 1, 2. But we need to find OB only, not OB square. So to remove this square we need to take square root on both sides. We have to take square root on both sides. If we take square root on both sides, the square and the square root will get cancelled. Simply we will get OB. So OB is equal to root 2. Now we found OB as root 2. Now what we have to do, children? To represent this root 2 on the number line, take compass, keep your needle here and keep your pencil tip here. Okay, from here you can mark on the number line. This is what? Root 2. From here to here is what? Root 2. Okay, so we can give name for this point C. I am giving C. Now I have drawn from O to C as root 2. Why it is root 2, children? Because from here to here it is root 2. I am keeping my pencil tip here. So this value on the number line also will be same only. So it is also root 2 from point O. Understand, children? Next we have to draw 1 centimeter from here. Again we have to join this. Already we know from O to C. Now only we found how much? Root 2. This is 1. We have to give the name for this also. So D I am giving. So from O to C is root 2, isn't it? And C to D is 1. We need to find O to D. So what we have to use here? We have to use Pythagoras theorem again. In right triangle OCD by Pythagoras theorem, OD square is equal to OC square plus CD square. What is OC? What is OC from O to C? Now only we found root 2. What is CD? 1 only. We have to find OD. So OD square is equal to OC square plus CD square. So root 2 square. This square root and square will get cancelled. So plus CD square is 1 square. 2 plus 1 3. We need to find OD only, not OD square. So we have to take what? We have to take square root on both sides. So this square and the square root will get cancelled. Simply we will get OD only. OD is equal to root 3. Now again from here we have to keep our compass needle here and the pencil tip here. Okay children, we have to draw this. This is what we found, root 3. So from O to this point we can give the name to this point E. Okay, so from O to E is what? Root 3. From here to here we found root 3. Again we have to draw 1 centimeter. We need to join these. We have to give name for this one F. Understand children? Again in right angle OEF by Pythagoras theorem, OF square is equal to OE square plus EF square. See here, OF is OF square is equal to OE square plus EF square. OE square plus EF square. This is 1. This is what? Root 3. So root 3 square plus 1 square. The square and square root will get cancelled. So 3 plus 1 is 4. We need to find OF only. So we have to take square root on both sides. We will get 2. OF is equal to 2. Now we found OF children. But now till this we found 2. But our aim is to represent root 5 on the number line. Okay. So again from here you have to mark an arc on the number line, that is 2. Again from here we have to draw a line 1 centimeter from here. We have to join with this origin. Now from O to G is what value? What is the value of this 2? 2 only, isn't it? From O to G is 2 only. Now we found 2. Again this is 1. We know that this is 1. Now we need to find O to H, isn't it? So again we are using Pythagoras theorem. OH square is equal to OG square plus GH square. So OG is what? O2. O2G is what? 2. So 2 square plus GH. GH is 1. So 1 square. OH square is equal to 4 plus 1. So we have to find OH only, not OH square. So square root of OH is equal to root of 5. Now we have to keep our compass needle here and pencil tip here. We should draw this arc here. So we found root 5 here. So we drawn root 5 on the number line at the point of I. Understood children? Here I am not using any scale and compass here children. This line may be differ, isn't it? But you have to use scale and the compass for proper diagram children. I hope you have understood this. You try it at home. Use scale and compass for draw these children. Thank you.